How to use a BookMAP in ATAS? Learn my secret. This stuff helps me make more than 1000 per day and in some cases even more. In ATAS, I use not exactly a BookMAP, I use even better. It is a DOM levels. It is the same stuff as a BookMAP, because if you open DOM Trader and you will set up, for example, order flow liquidity map, you will see that it is the same stuff as the DOM levels. But what's the beauty is this? You can set up on a chart and you can see it is the same. We have key level here, key level. Big order appeared here, big order appeared here. You can see like this limit order appeared, someone cancelled, after that again appeared. How do we use it? Honestly, I don't use it only this stuff, because what's the most important part? Remember that trading is way harder. The most important part in trading is to understand right environment. If we, for example, like today, we traded mostly long trades because we started a day above VWAP, and because of that, we were super long. And based on that, you can use those levels as confirmation for potential pullback or entry for continue of a trend. But you don't take those liquidity only by themselves. Let me show to you a few examples. First example, when Bitcoin did first reversal today, and you can see it reversed before this significant limit order. That significant limit order was, where is it was, at 1620, 351. 1620, 351. Where it was, let's open it on a bigger scale. That significant order were here when price, you can see this one, when price exactly retested previous day high. You can see here. Let me delete all of this, all other nonsense, and only keep this one. You can see we have previous day high, price reached that previous day high, and after that, it's exactly here. And at that previous day high, what we had? We had massive delta absorption. And yes, in this case, this order played out as a perfect place from which price did amazing, how many? 700 ticks. By the way, you can download my workspace on ATAS. Also, you can download PDF about my strategies that I use. All would be in description. That would be first link. Fill the form and my team will help you to set it up for free. Use it because it will save you a lot of time and will help you find the best places where you will make good money. Let's go back and let's do other examples. Example here, when again some significant limit order appeared here, but you can see it wasn't printed. It's the most important question, will it be printed or not? Let's come back, like this limit orders, pay attention. Like this limit orders, and what happened? Nothing. Nothing had happened. Remember that significant orders, it's not a holy grail. In some cases, it would not help you at all. Like in this case, you can see they bounced before this limit order. Here, you can see this limit order well cancelled and price still bounced from really the most important deviation of a day. After that, here I took long trade. And what was the reason for that long trade? Because here, have a look, there was this significant limit order that were broken with this delta, and price started trading above it. Often price retests such orders and they become powerful support. In this case, yes. And have a look where it was on a bigger time frame. On a bigger time frame, price traded half of a day inside of this 0.5 deviation of VWAP. Price broke out and retested. And here, significant order played out as a powerful support and resistance. Another example for you, let's go to some other examples like here. This one, it was perfect example. Pay attention. Significant limit orders were put, you can see, delta traded, that's why it's confirmed. After that, price squeezed and again broke them out, and what happened? Price continued rising. That means those orders didn't play out as a powerful resistance. Those orders didn't play out, but when price flipped it and came back, retested, have a look on this massive delta, and this significant order after that became powerful support. And have a look where it was. Again, let's open bigger time frame. It was, my friend, exactly here. And have a look how this VWAP deviation was powerful support resistance during the day, and price did massive move from that. Once more, what I would like to show you and would like to guide you, my dear friend, that you will use this stuff together with market structure and some confirmation. The same here. What price did? Significant order, but price didn't bounce it here or here, but price only bounced it from this one. And you can see order were executed, and after that price started massive drop. And have a look again where it was. It was when price retested point of control. It was exactly this very moment. Yes, it was exactly this very moment when price retested point of control of this untested point of control. Again, key level became powerful resistance and volume confirmed it. Again, in some cases, yes, this stuff works really good against a trend. For example, price broke VWAP deviation. Here you can see price broke VWAP deviation. Again, limit order, as you can see, printed. Price retested, printed, and after that, boom, pull back. That's why I highly advise you to use all of these tools together with market structure. Only in that case you will make money. And right now, push like, follow me, and here I prepared video lesson for you about how to set up my templates on ATAS, because without those templates, those order book would not work. Watch it right now. See you.